11 animal sounds in Japanese.
動物の鳴き声。
1 minute Japanese, or thereabouts.
Hey, Megumi,
Yeah?
did you know that Japanese dogs can count?
Really?
Yep, but only up to 1.
Dad jokes.
Let's start with our canine friends. The dog says,
ワンワンワンワン
cat.
にゃーにゃーにゃーにゃ
Frog.
ーゲロゲロゲロゲロ
Crows.
カーカーカーカ
Cows.
ーもうもうもうもう
Sheep.
めーめーめーめ
Chicken.
ーコケコッコーコケコッコー
Pig.
ブーブーブーブー
Duck.
ガーガーガーガ
Monkey.
ーウキーウキー
And of course, we couldn't imagine not including
ガオガオ
Thanks for watching, and for more fun stuff, check out Makoto Plus today.